In this video, I'll show you how to play Skate 3 on your mobile device. The process is simple, so follow along. As you may know, Skate 3 is available on consoles like Xbox and PlayStation, but it's not officially available for mobile. You can't just download it from the Play Store or App Store. However, there are a few ways you can still play Skate 3 on your phone. Just keep in mind that none of these methods run the game natively on mobile. The first, and the method I recommend most, is Xbox Cloud Gaming. If you're not familiar with cloud gaming, it basically means the game runs on Microsoft servers and streams to your device, similar to watching a video but with controls. This works on mobile as long as you have a strong internet connection. Skate 3 is available through this service, but you'll need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. It's not the cheapest, but you get access to a large library of games, including Skate 3. You can also connect a controller to your phone for the best experience. The second option is emulation. There are PS3 emulators for mobile, and since Skate 3 was released on PS3, it can technically be emulated. I don't recommend this option though. Performance is usually inconsistent, FPS tends to be low, and the setup process is complicated. I also cannot show how to get game files, as that would violate YouTube's terms of service. Only try this if you legally own the game. The third and cheapest option is to play a similar mobile skateboarding game.